If you are a developer trying to ship videos without spending your weekend in Photoshop, this one is for you. Today, we will use Google AI's Nano to draft clickable YouTube thumbnails in minutes, and you will get a repeatable workflow for free for all your future videos. Thumbnails are a time sink. Cut out the host, create an outline, adjust the text, fix the layout. It's repetitive and slow. Enter Nano. You can create stunning videos with just a few prompts, and it is a repeatable workflow where you can create variants with just a few clicks. How to do this? We will show 3 steps. Search Google AI Studio. On the right, change the model to Nano. Keep the default setting. We will adjust the layout with our prompt. Step 2. Assets. You just need 2 files. One is a dark background, which is linked below, and another is your lovely face. Select the 2 images and drag them to the prompt. Step 3. Copy the prompt template and fill in your title. Using the link below, let us copy this master prompt template. Create a 1280 YouTube thumbnail on a dark background which we uploaded. On the right, place the host face on the bottom right with 70% height, and on the left, create a title between these 2 lines. The reason we use an orange line is to maintain a consistent style. You can choose whatever background you like. Then the title is AI Engineer from Zero to Hero. Let's hit run. In just 12 seconds, it created a stunning thumbnail for us, which is much better than our 30 minutes tweaking in the Photoshop. What if we want to create another thumbnail for our next video? Part 2. Making this repeatable. Go to the link below. We use the second prompt template, copy and paste. Change the text to the second title of your choice, master LLM in 10 minutes, and then change the facial expression to be more excited so that our host is a different look than our previous video. Hit run. In just 10 seconds, we have a thumbnail for our next video. The text, master LLM in 10 minutes, is perfectly correct. And our facial expression, take a look, it's changed. Looks like completely 2 takes. How can we use this thumbnail? We can click downloads and we are ready to go. On the left is the first one, on the right is the second one. We have a consistent look and different variations of the host. Grab the free prompt pack and the background in the link below. Comment on any use case you can think of with Nano. Thank you for watching.